I'm walking on this highway. I've tried here in Iceland, mosques, churches, whatever I could think of. Their authorities, their people. Over 2 months, they're just keeping me here to put me through tormented tortures and sufferings. This is what they've been doing collectively. They don't help, they just want you to run the program collectively. So it's a joint venture. I've explained the religious fanatics and satanic nations who are sadistically killing every day somebody, applying their respective rulings, and nobody has any compassion. If you refuse to be part of their game, if you don't act stupid or whatever you do, they don't leave you be. They put you through, then they come into action. The most bastard and filthy nations of the earth. Now everybody knows. When I try to speak up about them, the oppressors, the tyrants, these countries are their colonies. They activate local authorities to even harass you more. Local people to harass you more. This is how much they have control. And if I get a chance, then obviously I'll talk about everything